Look at this bird. It just fell into the thing. It's hurt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fix it. It's okay. It's okay. I'm going to help it. I'm scared, though. Hold on, buddy. Hold on. It's okay. Hold on. Let me get the gloves. Damn it. Damn it. Damn it. Operation Save Bird. Babe. Holy God. Gotta save this bird. Alright, everybody gotta keep the animals good. He ran into the house, man. I feel so bad. Big ass windows. You okay, buddy? It's okay. It's okay. You okay? It's okay. It's alright, bud. You okay? I'm a savior, babe, of animals. Look. Just make sure he's alright. It's okay. Yep.